What's up, guys? Sean from Murphy's Mobile Wash. Got this guy here. He has a rock yard. Trains come in from all around the country to this guy's yard. Multi-million dollar company, landscaping, rocks, whatever. I told him let me clean one of his machines for him and see what he thinks. Well, I cleaned one. He's got another one that he wants me to clean now, and two more he's got coming. This is the product from Jerry, Omega Chemicals. Truck 2-step Magnum K, citrus brightener, safety bright, sample palette. That sample palette just paid for itself 5 times over. The guy was so happy with the results. I think he almost started crying. I just locked up his accounts for his fleets, doing one demo, one of his trucks. Just like that, easy money. Did it about 45 minutes. I'm gonna do the next one even quicker. That bad boy right there, nice and dirty. Jerry ain't lying, this shit ain't no joke. Clean all this shit up real nice. That's what the other one kind of looked like before. Kaboom. Looks like it just ran off the assembly line. Brand new. Omega Chemical sample palette. Talk to Jerry. He's not joking. As you can see, proof's in the pudding right there. You won't find a machine cleaner than that. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace.